Good morning vlog. It is currently 6 a.m. We're leaving 6:30 to take my brother and dad to the airport. Yay. We're going to Boston. And I'm here to get ready for my trip. So let's go on an adventure today. And we have a lot to do. This is not the packing vlog. This is kind of like reset the life vlog, day in the life, what we're gonna do. We have a lot to do. So let's get to it. We are home from the airport and we are doing laundry to start off the day because there is like 15,000 loads. Okay, now do a little work on my computer, do some music stuff, and then kind of figure out what we're gonna do because I think it's supposed to storm today. So yay. Okay, so right now I'm looking at apartments because I haven't like fully explored all my options, and you guys don't know where I'm going, but for me it's really important to explore. My plan is to kind of like just keep searching and searching until like I get to the place I'm going to. Okay, so sorry for all the noise in the background. So far I've worked beyond working. I have made muffins. Okay, movie is done. It's not super hot today, but it's like 90 something. It's like 92. It's kind of a colder day. So I think I'm gonna go tan a little bit. But my face needs to, before we go out there, it needs to get all like moisturized. So what we're gonna do is while this dries, we're gonna try to braid my hair. Don't know how to braid my hair on my own. Like I know how to do a single braid. I'm trying to do like 2 French braids. So yeah, also we're gonna do aquaphor. Let's get in a swimsuit. I'm not gonna wear any of the swimsuits I have in here. I think I'm gonna wear a swimsuit that I have in my bedroom. Drawer tan. I'm gonna clean, do my laundry because it's not just a big old pile. What is going to be a good swimsuit to tan in? That's what we gotta think about, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, well, I guess we're going back to my bathroom because all my tanning swimsuits are in my bathroom or hanging up to dry in my shower. And I don't really want tan lines up here since I'm gonna have a bunch of photo shoots on the next trip I'm going on. And I can't tan over those tan lines once I get tan. So we're gonna get a different swimsuit. Okay, we're going with this swimsuit. Okay, we got the swimsuit. I'll do the other side. Here we go. Cute. Tuck that in. But let's go tan after we do our hair. Okay, hair is braided. First time ever doing it. And I gotta say, I did pretty good. It was so uncomfortable, like the way you had to braid it, but I did it, which means I'm learning something new today. So that's cool. Anyways, we are headed to go tan now. Okay, tanning is done. I feel like I got a really good tan. Maybe you can see it. Oh! No tanning oil, nothing, just pure sunburn. Anyways, let's get changed. Two comfy clothes, work a little bit more, then prep for food because there's a storm coming. So, I have worked, but I've just chose back, like, I've just picked to, like, lay back for a second. I think I'm in heat exhaustion. Anyways, whatever. Little quick update for you. Ooh la la. Monsieur, s'il vous plaît. I'm so bored. Today's my lazy work day where I just work and be lazy. And I've already done both things over the top. Our alarm went off. Oh well, whatever. Les mes chickens. We are making chicken. I just want to say it was like 100 when I started cooking. Now it's cooked. Okay, so safety. This smells so good, and obviously I'm not eating all of this, but what I'm not gonna eat, I'm gonna cut into shreds. Don't knock. Don't. I'm gonna be a good girl. Oh my goodness. So, I'm about to eat dinner. I'm gonna look online for dog beds at Walmart. It's just kind of like, we've washed it a few times. It's kind of just done. So, I'm gonna go get her a new dog bed, I think, tonight. Look how scary. Oh, you can hear it. Okay, I gotta get the trash cans in before it starts storming. It's kind of scary, y'all. It's just kind of hanging above my house. But that's what I was pointing at. See, it's like circling us. I told my dad, I said, I swear to God, there's going to be a tornado while y'all are gone. Anyways, just ate dinner. Not going to go get a new bed. My dad's going to order one off Amazon. So let's skedaddle inside quickly. Hey, y'all. This is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. The next post will be something random. Wednesday's post will be, I'm getting my hair done, my nails done, everything. So get ready, because I'm announcing where I'm going, because Wednesday is also the packing video. Then I take off. I go to the city I'm going to. So excited. And I will see y'all next time.